Okay, gang, here we are once again in the great Arizona desert. Easy Gun guys, Tony and Rich.
How you doing?
Hey there. Today we're practicing. We're working on a few skills here because we have none to speak of per se. So we're gonna practice doing little AR combat. Well, basically some combat stuff. So we're gonna practice having a failure or running out of ammunition, transition from rifle to pistol. For my rifle, I'm using my Coyote Killer, my AR-15 SIG 400. I love it. Going from SIG 400 to Para 1911 45 caliber. Rich, what are you shooting?
I've got the standard AR, Detroit Gunworks upper. I've got the old Spanish Superstar B 9mm straight stack.
Yeehaw! So we're not double stacking here because we just piss away ammunition when we do that. We know we're going to be lousy at this. If we hit this thing and you hear a few dings, so be it. If not, well, so be it. I haven't done this since the Army in 1981. It's been that long, kids. So we fool around with these things once in a while, work on our skills a little bit, just for the hell of it, just for fun. So that's what we're going to attempt now. Pointed at me.
Hit it!
Next up. Not good, but not bad. Could be worse. Sweet! Yeah, baby! Alright, here we go. Ready?
Yep.
Alright. Alright, sir, sit your ass down there. We don't want no fucking trouble. I said sit down. Sit. Gun! Which one? The AR?
Yeah.
The AR?
The AR did.
It's not a SIG! SIGs don't jam. Still, that was good. Alright, change a little bit of weapon now. Still going with the Coyote Killer, the AR-15, the SIG, M400, but switching to my SIG, my sweetheart, my SIG P320. More mag, one more mag, but also more rounds down range. And that is our fun today. Rich is going to do a commie version of this very thing here in just a little bit. Because he's a goddamn commie sympathizer. Round 2. Stay together. Come up. Stay even. All right, hold it right there. Hold it right there. What the hell you think you're doing there? All right, let me see your hands. Let me see your goddamn hands. Good, good. Grab the wrong one.
He's dead.
He's dead, all right. I grabbed the wrong mag. I grabbed the mag for my 2022. This will be combat. All right, street combat. Zombie combat, reload. Take 5. Rifle, transition to pistol. All right, zombie, hold it right there. Hold it right there. Get back in your car. Don't get out. Let me see your hands. Show me your hands. Show me. Good, 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 good. Come on. And that's how we do that here in Arizona.
I'm sitting there when you're talking.
Okay, so for our next endeavor, Rich is going to pull the whole commie bit, okay? He's going to simulate he's a Vietnamese soldier running through the jungle at an American. We're not going to shoot his head off like Americans would normally do. But anyway, he's gonna, and if he was an American, he would have gook ears slung on a necklace around his, but that's a whole nother story. So what are you shooting today? What is this?
This is a Noriko SKS.
Chinese?
Chinese was given these to the North Vietnamese to shoot at the U.S. soldiers during the 60s and that. And then I'm going to drop to my sidearm, which is a Bulgarian Makarov.
Goddamn commie fleet, right here. He's better red than dead to some bitch. There he is. So Rich is going to do a commie version of what we just did with the American ARs and SIGs and good stuff like that. Yeah. Okay, so since Rich does not have a single point sling for that SKS because he's, you know, the Chinese they're worried about making fried rice. They didn't come up with that idea. I will be his sling. So after he fires, he'll hand the weapon to me and then continue to transition to pistol. That's why I'm walking next to him, not just going there to hold his goddamn parasol. Now, to capture the moment correctly, I will be yelling the commands in Chinese. America Mamin!
You ready?
Yeah, I've got a little closer to you.
Okay.
All right. All right. Manin! I got.
What's up?
Bang! You're dead! You're dead! The Marines once again have kicked your ass! Keep stepping up. You're still dead! Jesus fucking Christ! I had to unbuckle. I still got off more rounds than you.